After more than 2 years of the Israeli war on Gaza, childhood has been profoundly reshaped by repeated displacement and ongoing violence, leaving many children broken. Health workers with the Palestinian Red Crescent Society report a rising level of psychological distress among children linked to prolonged exposure to trauma and instability. Among those affected is 4-year-old Shukri, who, like so many children in Gaza, is struggling after an incident involving his father.
After his father was injured, Shukri suffered severe psychological distress. He became more aggressive and anxious, developed a stutter, and experienced hearing difficulties. I tried hard to get him treatment, but healthcare services are no longer available as they once were.
As parents try to survive and keep their families alive, they must now try to understand the lasting psychological impact of prolonged conflict on their kids. At treatment centers, therapists are working with the young through structured play and expression.
We work with children to help ease the psychological stress they've experienced since the war began. Through play, drawing, and creative activities, we help them express their feelings and reconnect with their childhood.
The killing in Gaza may have decreased in intensity, but for the children, the war hasn't stopped. Their stories reveal a generation growing up under severe psychological stress, where even though some scars are not physical, they still run deep. Mental health workers try to make do with what they have, including a vehicle called the Dream Bus, to reach communities in need, despite the everyday threat of death from Israeli drones, bombs, or snipers.
The Dream Bus travels across displacement camps in Gaza to reach children who cannot access mental health services. We provide psychosocial and recreational activities that help children cope with the trauma and emotional impact of the war.
According to the United Nations, more than 90% of children in Gaza show signs of severe stress and heightened emotional distress, reflecting the long-term psychological impact Israel's assault on Gaza has had on them. Ashraf Shannon, TRT World, Gaza.